Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Tour Tactics, your go-to channel for all things travel related. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to every traveler's heart: how to save money on your next trip. Now let's jump right into it. Who doesn't love the idea of traveling without breaking the bank? I know I do. So, I've compiled some super fun and creative ways to save those hard-earned dollars while still having the adventure of a lifetime. First up, it's all about finding the perfect place to rest your head without emptying your wallet. Drumroll, please. And if you're feeling even more adventurous, why not try couch surfing? It's a fantastic way to connect with locals and get a unique perspective on your destination. Now let's become the ultimate deal detectives. Oh, and don't forget to use those incognito windows when browsing. You don't want those sneaky cookies raising prices on you. Alright folks, it's time to talk about luggage. Don't forget to roll your clothes, use packing cubes, and pack versatile pieces. You'll be amazed at how much you can fit in a small bag. Let's talk about one of the best parts of travel: food. And remember, it's okay to splurge on a few special meals, but balance it out by enjoying the local street food scene. Now, here's a tip that'll keep your wallet happy: seek out free and low-cost activities. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next epic adventure using these tour tactics, and if you have any money-saving travel tips of your own, share them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more awesome travel content. Until next time, happy travels.